Welcome, welcome, welcome back for the no's. Now, I'm not looking at this as negative, but this is the no, you should not bring yourself to work. And probably one example I can think of that is one of the most radical ideas that I've actually seen presented on the topic was on the Chapelle Show by a character by the name of Clayton Bigsby. And Clayton Bigsby was a black white supremacist. And if you could imagine, just for all the organizations and the leadership, he was, again, a top ranking leader within an organization where if folks actually knew his true identity, everything would collapse. Like everything would collapse. So the whole the whole idea that kind of made it a bit ironic is that the power and the strength of the organization rode upon a leader that didn't actually match with the virtues of the organization. So they had to actually keep his true identity private as a way to keep everything in order. And as soon as his identity is revealed, because he makes that decision to reveal his identity, all sorts of chaos break loose, right? So in that case, you have an ideal that supposedly was bigger than the person, and it was a question of what's more important, that the truth come out or that the ideal is maintained. And that's where you get into some of those ethical and moral questions of sort of what's the more important route or side between the two.